Welcome to Makaut Smashers. In this video, we will take a fascinating journey through the subject biology for BTech CSE and IT students. You might wonder, why is biology relevant in engineering? Well, biology is not just about plants and animals. It's about understanding the life itself and its connection to the technology and innovation. From comparing the human eye to a camera to exploring how enzymes catalyze the reactions, the subject bridges the science and engineering. In this overview, we will cover the key themes of this course from genetics and biomolecules to the metabolism and microbiology. Get ready to see how biology plays a pivotal role in technology and problem solving. So, let's unlock the secrets of life one topic at a time. So, at first, introduction to the biology. Biology is a, you can say, a vital to scientific inquiry as mathematics, physics, or chemistry. It helps us to explore the principles that govern the life. For instance, the human eye functions much like a camera, but its complexity surpasses any man-made device. Similarly, birds inspired the design of aircraft. Yet their flight mechanisms remain unmatched. Observations in biology have historically led to groundbreaking discoveries. Robert Brown's study of pollen grains introduced us to Brownian motion, paving the way for development of thermodynamics. Julius Mayer's observation to contributed to the laws of energy conservation. So these examples remind us to the power of observation in the science. Biology is not just about understanding the life, but it's about discovering its potential to inspire the solutions to engineering challenges. So, biological classification. Biological classification means classification in the biology organizes the life into the meaningful categories, highlighting the patterns in the nature. Organisms are classified based on morphology, biochemistry, and ecological roles. At the cellular level, they can be unicellular or multicellular. Prokaryotic, like the bacteria, lack a behind nucleus, while eukaryotes, such as plants and animals, possess ones. Energy utilization also varies. Autotrophs produce their own food, while heterotrophs consume the others. Organisms can be classified habitat or molecular taxonomy, which divides the life into three kingdoms. Model organisms like the E. coli, and various scientific names serve as the benchmark for research. Classification reveals the nature's hierarchy, offering the insights into the life's diversity and commonalities. So now, genetics. Genetics serve as the biology's foundation from Newton's law in the physics. So Mendel's experiment introduced the laws of inheritance, emphasizing the segregation and independent assortment. Genes, the fundamental units of heredity, are mapped to phenotypes through traits. Epistasis and gene interactions show how multiple genes influence the trait. Cell division through mitosis, meiosis ensures genetic material passes from parent to offspring. Concepts like the dominance, recessiveness, and genetic disorder highlight the importance of genetic understanding. Gene mapping and complementation studies have advanced the human genetics, enabling the solutions to hereditary diseases. So, genetics bridges the biology and the technology from agriculture to the medicine. Biomolecules. All life forms share the same molecular building blocks, showcasing the unity in the diversity. Biomolecules like carbohydrate, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acid form the basis of the life. Carbohydrates include the sugars and polymers like the starch and cellulose. Proteins, composed of amino acid, perform the diverse function including the enzymatic activity. Nucleic acids, DNA, RNA, store and transfer the genetic information. Lipids, such as fats, play a role in energy storage and cellular structure. So these biomolecules work together to sustain the life processes. So understanding their structure and functions reveals how molecular interactions govern the life's complexity. So now, enzymes. Enzymes are biological catalysts without which life process would halt. They speed up the reactions by lowering the energy barriers. Enzymology studies these processes, monitoring the reactions rates and enzyme kinetics. Enzymes are classified based on their functions such as hydrolysis and oxidoreductases means oxidoreductases. Their mechanisms involve binding the substrates at active sites to catalyze the specific reactions. Examples you can say amylase in the starch digestion and DNA polymerase in replication. So enzyme kinetics reveal the insights in the biological efficiency and regulation. Even RNA molecules like ribozymes act as a catalyst. The scope of enzymology. Information transfer. The molecular basis of genetic information transfer is a universal theme of biology. DNA, the genetic material, exists as a double helix encoding the life's instruction. Its structure progresses from single strands to nucleosomes. Genes are defined through the complementation and recombination. The genetic code translates the DNA sequence into proteins, showcasing the universality and degeneracy. So, understanding coding mechanisms enables us to decode the life's processes from replication to protein synthesis. These insights are pivotal in biotechnology, where the manipulating genetic information fuels the innovation. So, macromolecular analysis. Proteins, essential biomolecules, are analyzed to understand their structure and function. They exhibit a hierarchy. Primary means amino acid sequence, secondary alpha helix beta sheets, tertiary 3D folding, and quaternary complexes. Proteins act as enzyme, transporters, and structural elements. Structural analysis reveals how their conformations enables the specific functions. For instance, hemoglobin transport the oxygen, while actin provides cellular structure. So macromolecular analysis combines the reductionist and holistic approaches to study the biological systems. So now, metabolism. Metabolism links the energy transformation to the life processes governed by thermodynamic principles. Reactions can be exothermic, endothermic, exergonic, endergonic. ATP serve as the energy currency, fueling the cellular work. Pathways like the glycolysis and the Krebs cycle convert the glucose into the energy, while photosynthesis synthesizes the glucose from CO2 and water. Metabolic pathways are tightly regulated, ensuring the energy efficiency. Concepts like the energy charge and equilibrium highlight the dynamic balance within the cells. So, microbiology. Microbiology explores the world of single-celled organisms. Microbes, classified into species and strains, are studied using the microscopy and biochemical techniques. They play a critical roles in ecosystems such as nitrogen fixation and decomposition. Growth kinetics and sterilization methods are essential for understanding the microbial behavior. Microorganisms are pivotal in biotechnology, from producing antibiotics to the environmental remediation. So, thank you for joining us this overview of the biology for BTech CSE and IT students. We have explored how biology connects to engineering, from genetics to metabolism and microbiology. This subject offers exciting opportunities to blend the life sciences with technology. In the upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into each chapter, unrevealing the mysteries of life in detail. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Makaut for more educational content. Together, let's make the learning an exciting adventure. See you in the next video.